In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Audible coupon. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, type in the search bar to look for Audible. This step is crucial because we need to access the Audible website to redeem your coupon. Now that you've reached the Audible website, you might see a prompt asking you to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login details. If you do not have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Remember, logging in ensures you can apply the coupon to your account correctly. Once you're logged in, look for the Gifts section on the Audible homepage. This section is where you usually find options related to gift cards and promo codes. Clicking on Gifts will take you to the area where you can enter your coupon code. Next, you'll see a box labeled Enter Promo Code. This is where you need to type or paste the coupon code you have. Make sure to enter the code exactly as it appears. Be careful not to include any extra spaces before or after the code. Accurate entry is crucial for the system to recognize and apply your discount properly. After you've entered your coupon code, look for the button that says Redeem. Click on it to submit your code. The system will process your request and apply the discount to your account. If everything is correct, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your coupon has been successfully redeemed. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your Audible coupon. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check the code for accuracy. Also, ensure you're logged into the correct account. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Audible's support team for assistance. Enjoy your audiobook adventures and happy listening.